welcome back to the daily vlog. Yesterday we were in Tennessee. Today, did you recognize it? We are in Orlando, Florida. This is my first bunch of bananas. Are you kidding me? That's bananas? That is bananas.
I told you.
Oh my gosh.
Actually, look at them. They look more like plantains.
Like the little small ones you see at Walmart, except we're not at Walmart. Going up. Ooh, this is nice. It's feeling blue and very Jetsons.
Very new because it's
I love it.
opened in March.
Holy moly, it just opened this month and it's beautiful. Look, a little Teal River and a little bit of crazy eyes, right? All right, let's see. Wow, we got an awesome view. Oh my gosh, guys. So guys, we're gonna get ready to head out from the hotel here and head over to what's called Citywalk. And it's where, what, Matt? There's dining, there's entertainment, there's mini golf, it's got the bars, and I'm guessing it's just like the place that comes alive over next to the two resorts, with them of course being Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure, that's what it's called. So this is the Citywalk that we're heading to. I'm gonna go check it out and find something good for supper. So we are currently doing what's called the garden walk that leads to the, say it with me, Citywalk. Citywalk. So instead of taking the bus, we decided to just hoof it to the Citywalk. Wow. And it's beautiful. It's like, she said, a half an hour or so, like 25 minutes, half an hour over. You want to take the boat back?
I do.
Let's do the boat back. Lizards.
They were fighting. He's all mad. Look at him. They're all mad.
Look at him. There's two there.
Yeah,
There's two there.
Getting ready to fight. Fight club. Lizard fight club.
Oh my gosh.
You don't talk about lizard fight club.
What big meanies.
They're going out. Yeah, they're going out. It'll be like...
This is where the boat comes through, Matt was saying. And actually, there's the boats up there. I guess they take you to the resort. From the resort over to the other resort. From the hotel over to the resort. And speak of the boats. Alright guys, I have got the Colorado. It's sauerkraut, peppers, and onions. Looks amazing. And this is Matt. Right here. This one I think has coleslaw on it. I think it's called a Carolina. This is so good. You love yours?
Yeah, go.
Crispy. Try one. Try one. I think I'm gonna go for this one right here, guys. This one's mine,
Actually, the dark, I actually sip on.
Yummy. Look at this. Thank you so much. All right, let's take a sip, guys. See, I'm a pineapple on pizza kind of girl, so pineapple on a drink. Oh yeah.
See, that I'm a pineapple and pizza girl.
You are?
Too. Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my gosh, I've wanted to try a voodoo donut. So which one we're gonna do? We're gonna do the entire
Fryer flyer doesn't.
Dear Diary, we made it off the island by boat and back to the hotel. Holy moly! Between the heat and the walk and all the excitement, I am worn out. How are you doing over there, Matt? So Citywalk was amazing. Like 10 thumbs up, 10 stars up. Okay, I may have had that cocktail, drank the whole thing. It was so good though. So I'm feeling pretty relaxed right now. The boat taxi, that was awesome. And Matt carried the donuts the whole way back. And we joked because at one point I was holding the donuts for him and they are heavy. Like they're a box of big donuts. Which leads me to let you know that on tomorrow's vlog, we're gonna be taste testing. We bought the whole box of donuts. You are not gonna believe how much that it cost us for a dozen donuts. Has anybody out there ever had Voodoo Donuts before? You can only get them here and also Portland, Oregon, okay? So, yeah, so we grabbed them here. We're gonna try them. They're like world famous. So tomorrow, stay tuned on the vlog because we're getting into some donuts and it's gonna be a good time. It's gonna be a mukbang. It's gonna be a donut mukbang. Come back tomorrow, we're gonna have a mukbang, and some good conversation. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love it if you would do so. Leave me a comment below. Did you enjoy this vlog? What'd you think? Have you been here before? Tell me all the things. All right, I'll see you guys again tomorrow. See you again tomorrow. Bye.